Hey there, Marc and Leslie from Road Notes. Current view out of our window, and as you can see, the neighbors found themselves a sunny spot right outside of our window. Because it is a nice day, it's a bit cool outside, but the sun is out, and why not? So anyways, we have had a couple of exciting days to report here from our life with Onyx, our motorhome, and we had our first mobile tech out yesterday from ProTech. We have discovered some issues with what we thought was our Anderson valve. Perhaps it is only the water pump that needs to be replaced. So we will see what's happening with that. We've also had a problem with our front air conditioning unit, and the compressor was shot, so the AC needs to be replaced as well. So both of these parts are now being ordered. So that was one exciting news to report. That is being worked on. Another one was that we did dishes last night, and of course, as you do dishes, you know, you run your sink, and all of a sudden we hear a bunch of water trickling down from right here into these steps, and the lower step was completely covered with water. And as we opened up our sink from underneath, we noticed that this trap right here from the sink completely came undone. So water was just gushing into this compartment right here, was completely flooded with water, with soap water, came running down this floor, came out of this corner and down into the step, and of course down into the exterior bay. So as you can imagine, we had quite a bit to clean up with lots and lots of towels, blow dryers. Everything was dried off, everything was cleaned. We caught it early on to where we don't think we have any damage. Of course, I rebuilt the trap here underneath the sink. Just for safety measures, I did put a 10-gallon bucket under here, just in case it comes undone again. We'll hear it and will prevent water from, again, hitting this floor and coming out here, because that could lead to some lasting damages if that doesn't get taken care of right away. And the other thing to report is we woke up this morning and Leslie went to the bathroom and, you know, turned the light on and everything, and we have these light panels here throughout the coach that control our light switches. So we have dinette, living room, they all are a little bit different. But the one in the bathroom, all of a sudden it would light up, but it wouldn't work. So we looked on our main control panel, which is connected, which is here, I'm sorry, and we have a settings button here and a switch info. And as you can see now, they're all showing battery good. If there weren't battery good, obviously it would tell you that. But this morning it was saying unknown. Every panel here was showing unknown. So I figured, These are all not on fuses or breakers. These are operated on just a simple battery. They snap off. There is a 6-volt battery, I believe, underneath it. And if this panel here is showing you weak or replace, then you would go to the appropriate panel box, flip it off, replace the battery, snap it back on, and you're good to go. But I have never seen it showing unknown. So I knew that somehow there was no connection from this panel to all the other light switches throughout the coach. So I was kind of baffled, didn't know really what to do, how to fix that. They're not on a fuse, they're not on a circuit breaker, since they are operated by just simple batteries. And then obviously the main panel is hardwired. I went to my trusted Thor motor coach owners Facebook group, and within 10 minutes I sort of had an answer. And I went and tried it, and it did fix it. So if you have a similar problem, and I know that all these main panels are all different, all these light switches all have different systems. Some have a reset button where you can reset and reconnect them. We don't have that option here. So what one of the gentlemen on the Facebook group mentioned is to turn off the shore power to the coach, turn off your battery disconnect for 30 seconds, and then turn it all back on. And that did work. And that reset the entire panel switch board from our main panel to the light switch panel throughout the coach. So if you ever have that problem and you don't have a reset button on your main control panel, try that. Turn off your shore power, turn off your battery disconnect, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on.
I can see it in your eyes, I can feel it in your touch, I can hear it in your voice, though you haven't said that much. Through an empty bottle, I can see it all so clear. All these broken pieces.
So tell us about this blanket.
Oh, an electric blanket.
An electric blanket? What do we need that for? First time using it. Oh, it's on.
Yes.
All right.
Because it's freezing.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better? You like it here? Or you can put it on the wood right here. Turn the hook so that you can actually get on and off of it. Put it there.
Okay.
Or inside the plastic. Then I want to put it all the way where this corner is. Right there.
For too long, some people think they can go, but I don't want to think that you've been wrong, because
Yep.
I'm not.
Okay, then put the second one. Here, let me see.
Through an empty
Second one
bottle,
And then the third one.
I can see it all so clear. We're just broken people. We'll be scattered in the wind.
Just straighten it. If you can. Perfect. Rabbit's foot fur.
What is it?
Rabbit's foot fur.
What you doing? Now that we moved out of the house, we have to. rearrange the RV.
What a mess.
What a mess.
Progress is being made. We're getting there. Right, Zozo? Still got a bunch of stuff here, but we're getting there.
Today's December 26th, and it's like our third day, consecutive day of Christmases.
Yeah.
On the 24th, we sort of celebrated German Christmas, and we opened our presents from my mom, who is over in Germany. And yesterday on Christmas Day, Leslie went to Vero Beach to see her brother and family. And today we are going to visit the oldest daughter with 2 grandkids to do our Christmas there. And they recently moved, so we have not been to their place. They moved to Eustis, and so that's where we're headed now. And as you can see in the back, the car is full. Zoe is back there. There's an entire suitcase with presents. And hopefully it should be a fun day. What's in here? Yeah. Presents. We'll come in with a whole suitcase of presents. Can we come in to your new home? Nice.
It's very cute.
Say thank you, Omi.
Thank you, Omi. Boston. Thank you, Omi. This is a big one. Who's this? So big.
See it or not, but so anyway, we want to give a huge thank you to both of our families for
Supporting us.
being so supportive,
Loving us.
yep, and giving us some wonderful things that we can keep with us as we travel. And we want to thank each and every one of you for all the love and support that you've given us through this transition. We know that not everybody understands necessarily or feels that this might be the right thing for them, but we know in our hearts this is the right thing for us. And as my brother said yesterday, we're not doing anything that can't be undone down the line if we decide that we want to change again.
Yep.
So we want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being so supportive of us and everything that we're doing. Thank you.
And this was a very busy week for us while we're still finishing up at the house, getting it finalized. I also had to say goodbye to Frida. For the ones who don't know who Frida is, it was my motorcycle. I ended up selling her because unfortunately we wouldn't be able to travel with her. So found a really, really great owner for her. So Scott and wife, you guys enjoy Frida, or whatever you name her now. She's a great motorcycle. It was great meeting you guys, and drive safe. Okay, we're signing off here, and we had a wonderful day with the family. And thank you again to everyone that has supported us, for all the gifts and presents for Christmas. We really appreciate it. We also want to thank everyone that has subscribed to our channel and has been following us through this journey so far. If you're new here, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. You can find us on all the usual social media outlets. You can also find us on Our Village, and we will have a special link for you down below in our description box on how to sign up for Our Village. Yeah, that's it for this time. We will see you on our next video. Take care and stay safe. Bye.